Unraveling Cricket, the art of the spin bowler. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of cricket, specifically focusing on the term, spin bowler. This term is not just interesting from a sports perspective, but it's also a great example of how specific English phrases can be in describing roles and actions. So, let's get started. Before we delve into what a spin bowler is, it's important to understand the game of cricket. Cricket is a bat and ball game that is extremely popular in countries like England, Australia, India, and Pakistan. The game involves two teams, and the central action revolves around a bowler throwing the ball and a batsman trying to hit it. In cricket, a bowler is a player who delivers the ball to the batsman. The bowler's goal is to get the batsman out, either by hitting the wickets with the ball or by tricking the batsman into making a mistake. There are different types of bowlers, based on their bowling style and the techniques they use. Now, let's focus on the term, spin bowler. A spin bowler is a type of bowler in cricket known for using wrist or finger spin to turn the ball sharply when it bounces on the pitch. This type of bowling is about using skill and subtlety rather than sheer speed. The spin bowler aims to deceive the batsman, making it difficult to hit the ball cleanly. There are mainly two types of spin bowling: off-spin and leg spin. Off-spin bowlers use their fingers to spin the ball from a right-handed batsman's offside to the leg side. Leg spin bowlers, on the other hand, use their wrists to spin the ball from the leg side to the offside for a right-handed batsman. Both types require a great deal of skill and practice to master. To give you an idea of how impactful spin bowlers can be, let's talk about some famous names. Players like Shane Warne from Australia and Anil Kumble from India have become legends in cricket, thanks to their incredible spin bowling skills. Their ability to outthink the batsman and control the ball's movement made them invaluable to their teams. I hope this video has helped you understand what a spin bowler is in cricket and why this role is so unique and important in the game. Remember, learning English isn't just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the cultural and contextual use of phrases. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more interesting English phrases.